The self-closing door. Bluey and Bingo are playing in the room. Suddenly, the door closed by itself.
Oh!
They both looked at each other in surprise and bewilderment. Bluey immediately went to look at the door. She opened the door and looked outside. Bingo asked if there was anything, and Bluey said she didn't see anything. The door closed once more. Bingo thinks it was caused by a ghost. Suddenly, she saw something dart past the window. Both of them hugged each other in fear. Bandit walked in, much to the surprise of both Bluey and Bingo. The Big Silly Adventure. On a beautiful morning, Bluey and Bingo were playing together. They are both having a lot of fun. An unfortunate incident occurred. Bluey accidentally bumped into her mother. It seems like Mom is in a lot of pain. Bluey ran to her mother. Bluey and Bingo looked at each other and then came up with an idea. Both will play the role of doctors treating their mother. Bluey plays basketball.
Snowman.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
2 hours later.
Bluey and the Paper Airplane. One day, Bluey finds a paper airplane on the table. Whoa! Whoa! She picks it up and curiously looks at it. Whoa! Hooray! Bluey gently throws the paper airplane to see how far it can fly. Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa! The airplane glides across the room and lands near Bingo. Bingo happily picks it up and throws it back to Bluey. The little paper airplane turns into a fun flying game for Bluey and Bingo.
Bingo has a stomachache.
Two hours later.
The Do Not Open box. Bandit is going home. Bluey and Bingo are talking inside the house. Bandit was holding a box. Bluey asked about the box. But Dad just smiled and didn't answer. Dad told the two sisters not to open the box. Bingo thinks the box contains candy. Bluey thinks it's a toy. Bingo wondered if it could be a monster. Bluey was speechless. Then they said, "Just open it and you'll know." Both were surprised when they opened the box. It turned out to be a music box. Bingo immediately started dancing to the music.
The secret birthday mission. Bluey gets lost in the giant sunflower forest. Hey!
Wow! Oh!
Come on, let's go.
Wow!
A day in the life of Bluey.
Huh.
Bluey and the self-flying toy airplane. A beautiful early morning. A toy airplane is flying indoors. Bluey and Bingo are going from outside into the house. Huh? The airplane flew around the house. Bluey talks to Bingo. Huh? The plane landed on the table in the living room. Bluey went closer to take a look, while Bingo started to sense that something was wrong. Bluey lifted the plane up and inspected it. But upon closer inspection, it was just an ordinary toy. Until Bluey put it down and something unexpected happened. The plane took off on its own. Bingo and Bluey tried to chase after it, and the plane started flying faster. It wasn't just flying, it seemed to be controlling itself.
Bluey's dream. Bluey is sleeping in the room. Bluey woke up and couldn't find her teddy bear. Bluey got out of bed and ran to find her teddy bear. Bluey went into the kitchen and started searching. Bluey searched and searched, but couldn't find the teddy bear anywhere. Then Bluey went to the bathroom to continue searching. Bluey continued searching in the toilet and bathtub. Bluey was walking down the hallway when she saw toys scattered all over the floor. Bluey ran into the playroom and was surprised. Her teddy bear has grown enormous and is smashing things. Oh, it turned out to be a dream. Bingo and the Mystery Box. On a night of heavy rain, Bingo is humming a tune indoors. Suddenly, she noticed a box on the table. Bluey is looking at the rain through the window. Bingo ran in and told Bluey about the box. They both ran to the living room where the box was. Bluey opened the box. Inside, they put 2 lollipops. Bluey gave Bingo one. Bluey and Bingo were happy because they had candy to eat.
Bluey and the balloon. Bluey is running from outside the house. She discovered something. It's a balloon. Bluey approached the balloon and picked it up.
Wow!
Bingo went outside and saw Bluey playing with balloons. Bluey tosses the balloon up into the air. The balloon was floating up when it was blown away by the wind. Both of them chased after the balloon. The balloon got stuck on the tree branch. Bluey and Bingo ran all the way there, very tired.
Huh?
Bluey and the plastic cup. One day, Bluey discovers a small plastic cup on the table. Bluey curiously looks inside the cup to see what is in it. She turns the cup upside down and gently taps it. Bingo finds it interesting and taps the cup too. Soon, the sisters start making different sounds with the cup. Before long, the plastic cup becomes a tiny, playful drum. The simple cup turns into a fun little music game for Bluey and Bingo.
Lost together, found together.
Huh?
Secret gift box.
Yahoo! 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 Wow! Wow! Bluey goes on a treasure hunt. Hey! Huh? Giant ball. Bluey and Bingo are playing on a seesaw. The game is really fun. Bluey suddenly saw something. Bingo immediately turned around to see what it was. Wow, it turns out it's a really big ball. Bluey and Bingo immediately ran after the ball. Then, the two of them played with the giant ball. Bingo, throw a kick at the ball. A little while later, Bluey and Bingo were sitting on a giant ball to have fun.
A day at school.
Whoa! Wow! Yippee!